For more than 40 years, the authorities have been looking for a long-term solution for the disposal of Switzerland's nuclear waste. A national repository is on the cards, but where it would be built is still to be decided. The National Cooperative for the Disposal of Radioactive Waste, NAGRA, has been trying out different storage methods in its mountain laboratory in Saint-Ursanne. In the future, nuclear waste will be stored in cylinders like these. For this experiment, though, the containers only hold heater units to simulate heat radiating from used-up nuclear fuel rods. The space around the containers is filled up with powder, pumped into the tunnel via tubes.
This
stuff is called bentonite. It's a natural mix of clay minerals which swell and expand when they come into contact with water. This way, they will perfectly seal off the cylinders.
The government wants to have a national repository set up and running by the year 2060. Like the NAGRA Mountain Laboratory, the future nuclear disposal site would be built inside a natural layer of opalinous clay, which can be found in several places in the Jura Mountains.
Opalinous clay is ideal for storing radioactive waste since it's very impenetrable. And like bentonite, it's made of clay minerals. So even if small cracks appeared, they would immediately close up once the clay comes in contact with water and swells.
And this is how the nuclear disposal procedure would work. Highly radioactive waste would be transported in containers on a computer-navigated train to one of several storage tunnels, located up to 900 meters underground. Everything would be remotely controlled and fully automated. For safety reasons, no people would be working in this area. Once they're in their final storage location, the containers would be sealed inside bentonite. That's the procedure being tested in the NAGRA Mountain Lab. So what will the experiment reveal?
Once the last container is sealed up, the measurements can begin. The containers are equipped with heating devices. With the aid of hundreds of sensors, we can measure the effects of the heat on the bentonite and the opalinous clay.
The containers will stay buried for 10 to 15 years, providing lots of measurement data. Currently, there are 6 potential repository sites. One of them will be chosen by about 2020, but will still need the green light from Cabinet, Parliament, and most likely, the people.